Gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang tamang paraan ng pag-i-invest. Alam mo ba na para maging stable ang iyong finances regardless kung may dumarating na financial crisis sa buhay, kailangan mong i-build ang solid financial foundation mo. Solid financial foundation ay isang paraan ng pag-i-invest to have a financial security and long-term wealth. Kaso nga lang may step-by-step guide tayo dito para maging solid ang iyong financial house. You need to invest first in your health by having your own long-term health care. Second, have yourself an insurance to properly protect your family. Third, ay i-manage ang iyong debts dahil our goal is to have zero debts. Fourth, ay emergency fund para may mahugutan tayo in times of emergencies. And last step ay investment for our future goals. Alam mo ba na once you become part in our IMG community, pwede ka na mag-top up ng mutual fund na as low as 20 pesos. At sa pag-build mo ng financial house, pwede ka na magsimula sa pag-iipon ng 3,000 pesos per month. To know more, message mo lang ako para i-guide kita.